To shape your reality, to transform your wildest dreams into tangible experiences, it all starts with the power of your thoughts, the energy of your intentions, and the magic of your imagination. Being aware of your present circumstances is the first step towards creating a new reality. As the saying goes, what we resist persists. The very act of focusing on what you lack only brings you more of the same. This is why the state of mind you embody is so important in shaping your reality. If you choose to adopt a positive consciousness of abundance and prosperity, you can manifest that reality. Each and every one of us has been endowed with an infinite power that no earthly force can diminish. The power of our mind, our imagination, and our consciousness are truly limitless. Creative acts are primarily products of the mind rather than the physical realm. It begins with our thoughts and beliefs, and it is through the power of our imagination that we can bring forth our desires into the physical world. But how can you tap into this power within you? Simply dare to assume that you are already the person you want to be. If you live as if your desire were already true, then no power on earth can prevent it from becoming a fact. It is essential to avoid judging according to appearances and instead prioritize the state of mind that will bring forth the desired reality. The truth is not determined by external facts but by the depth of your imagination. The world around you is a reflection of your inner state. When you transform your state of mind, your external circumstances transform as well. It is through your imagination that you can begin to create the reality you desire. All dreams can be realized if you are sufficiently disciplined in your thoughts and beliefs. Your imagination is the key to creation. Focus on what you want, and it will manifest. And once you have a clear objective, assume the feeling of it being fulfilled. Believe it is already done and it will be. The dream hides the creative act, while the objective world reveals it. We imprint in our subconscious our conception of ourselves through our dreams. And if we change our state of mind, then the circumstances of our lives will change accordingly. If you have a desire to go anywhere, to achieve anything, you must first go there in your imagination. Visualize yourself already in that desired state or situation and feel the emotions and sensations that come with it. As you hold on to that feeling, you begin to attract the people, resources, and circumstances that will help you bring your desire into physical reality. You are ultimately responsible for the conditions of your life. Nobody else can create your reality for you. It is up to you to consciously shape your thoughts, feelings, and actions in a way that aligns with your desires and goals. Consciousness of I am is a profound state of being that is often overlooked in our everyday lives. It is the feeling of being fully present, aware, and conscious of your existence in the present moment. When you embody this state of consciousness, you tap into the infinite power that lies within you, which can bring about tremendous change in your life. Don't waste your energy on regret or trying to change others. They are only messengers showing you who you are. Love is already within you, waiting to be uncovered. By cultivating a new state of mind, you can attract others who embody this new way of being. Love is your birthright. You don't need to go searching for it outside of yourself. As you allow a new state of mind to emerge within you, you will naturally attract people who embody that same state. The world is a mirror, always reflecting back to you what you are putting out into it. If you focus on your limitations, then you will continue to experience them. However, if you divert your attention from your current limitations and focus on what you truly desire, then you will rise to a higher level of consciousness and attract circumstances that align with that reality. Remember, your feeling is the secret to unlocking your destiny. Be mindful of your state of mind and feelings, as they are directly linked to your visible world. You are already what you want to be, and by embracing this truth, you will unlock the infinite power within you. I hope you like this video, Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.